Welcome friends. Today I will discuss how we can install and download PostgreSQL on Windows, and also we will see how we can manage this SQL server by the pgAdmin. Let's start. So first open the Google. In the Google, open Google, type download PostgreSQL. This page will be open, so you can click on the first link, downloads. When you click on the download, so this page will be open. So we can download the PostgreSQL for the Linux, macOS, Windows, BSD, and Solaris. So we will download the Postgre for the Windows. So click on the Windows, then this page will be open. Okay, so this page provide the information for the supported platform. Okay, so you can see like 64-bit, 32-bit. So in the upper corner of this page, there are the link download the installer. So click the download the installer page, then this page will be open. So by this page you can download the installer file for the PostgreSQL, right? So you can download it for the Linux, okay, macOS, Windows 64-bit and 32-bit. So right now 32-bit is not supported. So when you click on this link, right, so you can download the PostgreSQL. I have already downloaded the file for you so that our time will be saved. So close. Okay, this is the file. Okay, so you can double click this file. So then within some seconds, so they are downloading start. Okay, you can click on yes. Okay, so within some seconds, installer will be start. Then we will start. Okay, that's started. Then one window will become. Okay, after this window. Okay, this window, in this window we can click on the next button. That is the path where this PostgreSQL is storing. Then next, we need all these tools. Next, this is the path. Click on next. So you can set the password for your SQL server. Please provide a password for the database super user. This is, password is for the super user. Okay, we can set the password. I am setting setting a password like admin. My password admin admin. Okay. Click on next. This is the port for the SQL server. They has taken automatically 5432. Click next. You need to set default, then next, then next. Okay, so it's installing, start installing to my computer, and it will take some seconds. So after seconds my setup will be complete, so we can wait. So after installing the PostgreSQL, we will see how we can install the pgAdmin and how we can manage my PostgreSQL, right? So pgAdmin is a management tool for the PostgreSQL, right? So by this tool we can manage our Postgres server, like how create database, create tables, like that, right? So it's very useful tool for the managing. So after this setup, so we will see how we can download and install this tool and how we can use that particular tool. Okay, so within some seconds this will be completed, then we will see how we can download. Okay, some second is pending. So within some second it will be completed. So just wait so that we can show you the complete process for the downloading and installing for the PostgreSQL. It will take some more time. Just wait. It will take 5-10 seconds more. Then we will see how we can start another setup. This will take a few seconds or minutes. Just wait. Starting the database server. He's starting the database server for us so that we can start the work creating an installer creating installer 75%. Okay, then finish. Okay, so you can close this window. Then we can install pgAdmin. Okay, so now we can install the pgAdmin. Google, Google, then download. You can type download pgAdmin for Windows. Okay. So when you click this window, so your downloader will be downloaded. Okay. So you can click this link. Once you click this link, your exe will be downloaded into the your download folder. I have already downloaded a file for you, so I can close this file. So go to the download. Okay. So this file will be downloaded when you click that particular link. So you can double click this, install for me recommended, and then start. Then you can accept this. Next, this is the path for the pgAdmin. See user app data local program. Next pgAdmin 4. Next, install. Okay, so it will be installed in couple of seconds. When after this installer, so we can see how we can work with the pgAdmin, and then how we connect my PostgreSQL to the pgAdmin, and how we can work with the PostgreSQL, like how we can create the database, right? How we can create the tables, how we can run the queries. So all these things we can done by the pgAdmin. It's very simple tool, and that is very interactive. You can enjoy to work with the pgAdmin. Within couple of seconds, your tool will be ready to work. So it's in, so setup is complete, so you can finish. Okay. Then now your both tool has been installed, like pgAdmin and PostgreSQL. Then you can go to the start button and type pgAdmin, right? So you can click on pgAdmin. When you click, so this tool will be open, right? So it's opening. Okay, when so it's opening. So by this tool, we can work with the database. Okay, it's loading. Okay, fine. So click on the server. So he is asking for the password, which I have set it. What is my password? Yeah, admin is my password. Then okay, right. So my pgAdmin is ready. Okay, so you can see server PostgreSQL 16 database, correct? Then you can create a database, right? So database owner name, you can create a database, and further you can do the further processing. So we will see I will see in my future video how we can create a database, tables, queries, right? So hope this video is useful for you. In next video we will see the other functionality for the PostgreSQL. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.